when I was told at school that there was no way I could go to Africa and live with wild animals and write books about them, I had no idea of being a scientist. Girls weren't scientists back then, but writing books, yes. And I was told that there was no way that this could happen, didn't have money, was just a girl, and Africa was far away, and we called it the Dark Continent back then. We're now back in 1944. But my mother said, no, if you really want to do something like this, you're going to have to work really hard, take advantage of every opportunity, and if you don't give up, hopefully you find a way. And then I met Louis Leakey, and it was Louis Leakey who amazingly gave me the opportunity to go and live with and study not just any animal, but the one most like us. And it was like a kind of fate. I would have studied any animal, to be out in the bush. And here I am, landed with an animal who shares 98.7% of our DNA, our closest relative, even closer than the gorilla and closer again from the orangutan. And they were the best days of my life, being out in the forest, learning about the interconnection of all the species of plants and animals in the forest ecosystem. Every single one of us, that means everybody in this room too, we all make some impact on the planet every single day. And certainly we have the choice as to what kind of impact we're going to make. And if we start thinking about what we buy, what we eat, what we wear, if we ask ourselves, did this product when it was made harm the environment? Was it cruel to animals? Is it cheap because of unfair wages? Then we have a choice, and consumer pressure is beginning to change the way some businesses work. Nature's resilient. It's having a tough time now because of us. It isn't natural for a whole forest to be clear-cut, and it takes a lot of effort to bring the forest back, but you can, and it's been done. And there are examples from all over the world of places that we have utterly destroyed, given time and perhaps some help, can once again bring back nature in all her beauty.